Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable, very simple, small wreath that you can use for your door or even for a centerpiece. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is show you how to make a ribbon rose. It's so simple. So all I'm going to do here is make a triangle. I fold my ribbon in half, make a triangle here. Then I'm going to go behind it and just go over and under and just keep doing this behind, and that's all I'm doing. And you don't have to worry which side is right side or wrong side of the ribbon. You just keep going back and forth. And you can do this kind of a rose with pretty much any type of ribbon. You can use a wider ribbon or a thinner ribbon, and all I'm doing is folding it and folding it back, folding it over. So this is just super simple. Folding it over, fold this up, fold this one over. Now what I'm going to do is grab on to both of my ends and let everything drop, and then just bring this, hold one, make sure you're holding them both, and just keep pulling it down, and you're going to see the rose forming here. Now you have this beautiful rose. So now what I'm going to do is put my rose aside. I'm going to cut the end of it because we don't need that whole end. And you can reuse that ribbon for a littler rose. I'm going to put this aside, and that'll stay because it's a wired ribbon. And so now I've got already wrapped this small wreath, a willow wreath, and we're going to put that aside as well. And I'm going to take some of my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, and I don't know why I keep grabbing those scissors, but anyway, so we'll lay this under here, tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my two leaves. So this is just a really great fall wreath, but you can always change it to a winter wreath just with different foliage and a different color rose. So we're just going to go back and forth. So I have these that I've already just cut at an angle. So these would be my leaves. And then I actually have a real leaf to kind of add in there. Then I'm going to take my rose, and I'm just going to twist the ends again just for safety. Lay my rose down into the center, take my Mini Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything in. Then I'm going to take my wire, hold everything down. Whoops, don't want my finger to get caught in there. Pull it tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. And tie another knot. Then I'm going to take my wreath and I smash my little rose, so let's just shape that, and then we're just going to cut the ends off here. And now I'm just going to take this and tie it onto my wreath, and just tie a knot here and double knot it and clip the ends, and we'll just bring this around here and just shape this out. Bring my leaf ribbon there, and you have this super simple and beautiful small fall wreath.